Hi, my name is Michael, a Delta career student who got into UC San Diego. I studied in Kanchao International School in Taipei, Taiwan. I want to study cognitive science in college. I chose the Ferrari program in Delta Institute because I want to explore different fields of study, such as how engineering can combine with business. My favorite thing in the session is definitely the final presentation because we got a chance to meet a Ferrari representative and we present our product, which is a design hybrid car, to him. He gave us some applause and some essential feedback that can help us improve our product in the future. And with this kind of recognition, and it's very rewarding to me and all my teammates, our mentors taught us all the essential engineering techniques and calculation methods that are needed to create a perfect hybrid car. During the office hours, the mentors observed our rehearsals and give us very important feedbacks that make us make a very good hybrid car presentation that can be presented to the Ferrari representatives. I think this program makes me a very well-rounded student that is both capable in a lot of math calculations and engineering techniques, and it also shows that I have the ability to conduct market research and to combine with several fields with my interest. In this experience, I have learned a lot of tangible skills that can be useful in the future, and it's also a first-hand experience in the field that can demonstrate your ability to work with different kinds of people in very hard work environments. My role as a team leader has played a very important part in my college application. It demonstrates my leadership skills, and it has made me a better self through this experience, as it enhances my communication, teamwork skills, and my ability to manage a team to complete a project. And this can be very helpful in my future college careers, as I will have plenty of opportunities such as clubs or even internships that I can fight for leadership roles. I would definitely recommend Delta Career to my friends or like future students who want to participate in this kind of experiences, because it can give you a first-hand experience in the field, and it can also help you garner some knowledge from different aspects such as engineering or even finance, business, and it can help you become a more well-rounded students who can demonstrate your interests and abilities in your college application process. This program can help you highlight your college application because it can demonstrate your ability to handle rigorous materials and showcase your ability to work in a team environment and your ability to communicate with others and present the completed project to a high-level professional.